Hello guys, today in this video I like to show you how to create a button in Tkinter Python. Firstly, I'll create one file and I'll import the Tkinter module. Okay, class GUI. I'll give the name GUI for class and I'll initiate the class using init function and I'll give one parameter here and self dot root is equals to root. If name is equals to main, root is equals to tk. I'll initialize the Tkinter module here and I'll give the class a parameter root and I'll execute the Tkinter from using main loop. Okay, now what's the problem here? Oh, I'll just right click here. Okay, this is my here of GUI self.root.title Hancie learning studio self.root.geometry. I'll give 500x 300. Okay, I'll run. Okay, now I'll give one variable for button btn equals to button self dot root. Okay, btn dot just I'll use pack for the layout. Okay, now this is my button. I'll just give the text for the button text equals to build button. Okay, now if I want to change the font of my button, then I can just say font equals to, I'll just give the name of the font and I'll give the size of the font and I'll give the font bold. Okay, this is my font, this is my button. I'll just say save here. Okay, now I can also change the background color of the font. BC equals to green. I'll set then the background color will be green and I can change the foreground, the text color white. For that I'll use the F equals to white. Okay, this way. If I want to add the function to my button, then I can add that by just calling the def here. Def. Okay, I'll just hit exit. I'll just make the function to exit this GUI sys dot exit. Okay, now to call this function I'll use here the command argument. Command is equals to exit. Okay, now when I'll click on this button, then the GUI will be closed in this way. Thank you for this video.